channel. Good morning to all. Today I'm back with another beautiful thought of the day, and I'm showing how to present a thought of the day in the school assembly. So let's start. Good morning, respected teachers and my dear friends. Today I'm here to present you a thought of the day. Today's thought is, be the magnet of peace so that you can attract peaceless souls. I repeat my thought. Be the magnet of peace so that you can attract peaceless souls. This thought means, first you be like a cool and peaceful person so that you can change peaceless people into peaceful people with your behavior. Thank you. I hope you liked my thought of the day. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching this video. Bye. Have a good day.